I'm Sunday Sanders, and welcome to Sunday Fun Day. This is where we do crafts, recipes, and much more. And today we're going to be making Bippity Boppity Boo, a fairy wand. What you'll need for this craft is shiny paint, a paintbrush, 12-inch dowels, ribbon, and scissors. This is so far the easiest craft I've ever done. And first step is to paint the dowel. Now that we got our dowel painted and dried, it's time to cut the ribbon, about 2 feet in each color. Now it's time to attach the ribbon with a simple knot like you're tying your shoes. Now our fairy wand is done. Now you can go play with your magical fairy wand with your friends. Boop! If you like this craft and you want to see more, please subscribe to Sunday Fun Day. See you next time, crafters. Sunday out!